Assessing the bleeding and thrombotic risks is one of the most clinically important aspects for management of patients undergoing anticoagulation therapy. Presently, routine coagulation tests such as PT, TT, APTT, INR, FIB are not sufficient to accurately assess the risks of bleeding and thrombosis, nor enough to monitor the efficacy of related drug. It is also reported that approximately 20% to 50% of blood products are wasted when following the guidance of routine blood coagulation tests. Therefore, critical assessment and more rational use of limited blood transfusion products is a major challenge in clinical blood transfusion therapy. Which blood products are to be used? When and how much to transfuse them? All these are key considerations in clinical practice. Thrombosis viscoelastic analysis assesses the entire clotting process, continually and dynamically monitors coagulation. It is the most important tool for analyzing coagulation function in the perioperative period, evaluating the risks of hemorrhage and thrombosis, monitoring the efficacy of anticoagulant drugs. In 2014, ImproClot, a magnetic thrombosis viscoelastic analysis system, was developed by Improve Medical. Using a high-speed photoelectric signal as the detection source, the ImproClot system is designed to detect and monitor the kinetic changes during clot formation in blood samples. It provides real-time data analysis of clot-forming elasticity and assists clinicians with evaluating a patient's coagulation state rapidly and accurately. ImproClot's unique magnetic rotation design ensures stable performance and excellent repeatability. The unique ergodynamic design sample cup handle allows testing to be more easily performed. The automatic decapping and recapping design reduces manual work and biohazard risk. The intelligent control system is integrated into a 12-inch touchscreen. Multi-models are available for various requirements. The superb asysmatic structure prevents interference from adjacent instruments, ensuring that the analysis is safe and accurate. The system is accompanied with a full panel of analysis and quality control reagents that can be used for standard and rapid viscoelastic coagulation tests, heparinase tests, and the platelet aggregation function tests. The standard and rapid tests can provide accurate assessment of the entire blood clotting process, identify dysfunction in the patient's hemostasis system, distinguish primary from secondary fibrinolysis, evaluate the efficacy of anticoagulant or coagulant medication, predict the risk of thrombosis, and guide hemostatic therapy in patients with coagulopathy. The heparinase test is used to assess the efficacy of heparin, low molecular weight heparin, and heparinoid drugs. The platelet aggregation function test is designed for monitoring antiplatelet and anticoagulant therapies such as aspirin, Plavix, and clopidogrel, analyzing the causes of bleeding with these medications and evaluating risks during perioperative period. The ImproClot system is intended for use in the following medical departments: surgical department, to guide blood transfusions effectively, accurately, and timely; transfusion department, to assist selecting proper blood products and hemostatic therapy drugs; cardiology department, to monitor the efficacy of antiplatelet drugs; ICU, to assess the coagulation state of post-operation patients; anesthesia department, to identify the causes of bleeding and guide hemostatic therapy in patients with coagulopathy; clinical laboratory, to detect coagulation function comprehensively; with more accurate test results and more efficacious blood transfusions, medications, and surgeries. Patient outcomes will be improved and more lives will be saved. This is the relentless pursuit of medical staff. The ImproClot system is an integrated platform that assists clinicians in solving many challenging dilemmas relating to bleeding and thrombosis in different clinical settings. It provides a personalized, effective, and accurate analysis system for each patient requiring blood transfusion and drug monitoring. Improve Medical. Human health. We care.